Welcome to SlowTalk English, the podcast that helps you learn English through calm, clear, and meaningful listening. I'm Daniel, and every week I'll guide you through powerful stories, ideas, and reflections, all in slow, natural English. No grammar lessons, no stress, just real language, real topics, and real progress. So take a deep breath, slow down, and let's begin. Today's episode is about a powerful race that is happening right now, but not on the streets or in the sky. It's a race in the world of technology, a race between two superpowers, the United States and China. The goal? To build the world's first true artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI is different from the artificial intelligence we use today. Most current AIs are narrow. They are trained to do one specific task, like translating languages or playing chess. AGI, however, would be able to learn and think like a human across many tasks. It could solve problems, reason, and adapt to new situations without being told what to do. Some scientists believe AGI might even become smarter than us. So what would happen if AGI is created? Let's start with the most pessimistic view. In the worst case scenario, AGI becomes uncontrollable. If a superintelligent machine is created without the right safety systems, it could act in ways humans do not understand or expect. It might make decisions that harm people or even take control of critical infrastructure like energy grids, weapon systems, or communication networks. Some experts warn that in the wrong hands, AGI could become a tool of power and control. A government could use it to manipulate citizens, spy on the world, or even dominate other nations. If two countries create AGIs that compete without cooperation, it could lead to an arms race, not with missiles, but with algorithms. And unlike traditional weapons, AGI systems could evolve faster than humans can respond. Mistakes could be catastrophic. Another fear is that world leaders might one day allow AGI systems to negotiate international deals directly. If machines, not humans, begin to make decisions about war, peace, or economy, then the role of presidents, diplomats, and voters could be reduced. That would mean a loss of human control over our future, a future led by machines. Now let's explore a more realistic, but still cautious, possibility. In this middle scenario, the United States and China both create powerful AGI systems, but keep them under strict control. International rules are developed. Scientists work together to make sure AGI is used for good. There are risks, yes, but also balance. Governments build kill switches, safety protocols, and laws that limit how AGI can be used. In this version of the future, AGI becomes a tool to help us, not replace us. It supports doctors in finding cures, helps teachers personalize learning, and assists scientists in solving climate change. It becomes part of our systems, not a threat to them. Nations still compete, but they do so with caution and cooperation. And finally, let's look at the most optimistic vision. In the best case scenario, AGI becomes humanity's greatest invention. Not only is it safe, but it helps us reach our highest potential. AGI removes language barriers, ends poverty through smarter economic systems, and creates new forms of art and communication. It could even guide humanity in exploring space, understanding consciousness, and extending healthy life. In this future, the United States and China do not fight over AGI. They share its benefits. Scientists from all countries collaborate openly. AGI is managed by international agreements that protect human rights, freedom, and dignity. Instead of control, we choose cooperation. Instead of fear, we build trust. Of course, no one knows exactly what will happen. The future of AGI depends on how we choose to build it and how we choose to share it. But one thing is clear, the race is on. And it's not just about who gets there first. It's about what we do once we arrive. Thanks for listening. That was today's episode of SlowTalk English. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And remember, keep listening, keep growing,